Have you ever looked at your vision board and thought, one day I'll finally do this? I used to feel that way too, but here is what I've learned. Change doesn't have to take years. With the right focus and a little discipline, you can shift your life in just 30 days. And I'm going to show you how. Most of us fail not because we lack motivation, but because we are trying to do everything at once. When I tried to fix my career, my health, my routines, and my relationships all together, I burned out and I achieved nothing. Everything shifted when I picked one thing and only one thing. Ask yourself, what is the one thing that if I can commit to it for 30 days would create the biggest ripple effect? That's your starting point. So, what do you have to do? You have to outline your weekly steps. Big goals fall apart when there is no roadmap. Here is the truth: 30 days is 4 weeks, sometimes 5 weeks. Think of each week as a brick. When you stack them one by one, you build a foundation for success. For example, if your dream is to build or to write a book 500 words a day, that is a full draft in 30 days. So you'll be done. Small steps repeated with discipline build momentum. So next step, what do you have to do is to commit to your daily anchors. Your success won't come from grand gestures. It comes from just very small daily non-negotiables. When I wanted to rebuild my energy, I didn't run marathons. I focused on drinking water in the morning every day, moving daily every day, and keeping a bedtime, which is my routine. Those simple anchors build a new identity. I am a woman who takes care of myself. I do like to take care of myself, I believe so. For you, it might be maybe journaling 10 minutes a day, or reaching out to one client if you want to make a business, or maybe learning your interview skills if you are preparing for a career, or writing before checking social media. Discipline is not about doing more, it is about committing to less and consistently doing the same things you're committing to every time. So, what is next? You have to use your vote. So, what is your vote? Your vote is that structure you're going to build around yourself to keep accountability to yourself, to keep a structure, a roadmap, a blueprint. So, here is the part most of us escape. Without it, life takes over. That's why I recommend creating your 30-day vote, and it marks your start date and also marks your end date, and it marks your accountability check-ins as well. So block weekly check-ins or daily weekly check-ins, whatever structure suits your routines. Make your goal visible. A calendar, a tracker, a journal. You can use your phone to do these things. And most importantly, celebrate your progress. When we are celebrating progress, we are not celebrating the outcome. We are celebrating the achievement of having completing or sustaining a certain habit. The outcome celebration is another thing. Discipline isn't punishment, it's a freedom. So when you set boundaries, your focus protects your dreams. And the next step you have to look into is step into success. So how do you step into success? At the end of your 30 days, you are not just achieving a goal. You are stepping into a new version of yourself, a very different version of who you are, a version of a woman who follows through their own pathway, a version of a woman who follows through their discipline, who is focused, who is disciplined, a version of a woman who knows what they want to achieve, a version of a woman who is organized. So, a woman who keeps her word to herself. And when you can do it once, you can do it again and again and again. And this all just happens because of habit. You have developed discipline. You have to have a focus to develop the habit or the healthy habits to follow through your plans and your commitments. So the next 30 days are going to pass anyway. So why not use them to rewrite your story? You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start, and you just need to focus. You need discipline, and you need the courage to begin. If this message resonates with you, make sure you subscribe, because every week and every month I share stories and strategies to help women like you stay disciplined, focused, and full of hope. So thank you, and let's meet next time. I'll share some of the videos, and if this resonates with you, one of the videos which I've already done and recorded might be useful for you to listen to, where say if you cannot adapt, you have to reinvent yourself, you have to adapt to reinvent yourself. So you have to make some changes into your life. So check out that video which I recorded previously if you have not looked into it. See you next time.